it's Kyle Parody here, and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be making not a gigantic, but a large Starburst, one that's definitely not its original size. So yeah, let's get started. The cool part about this video is a lot of people have made the gigantic Starburst before, but the thing that I'm making different is I've been unwrapping some of them and neatly unwrapping it so I can keep this. Eventually, I'm gonna tape all of these together and I'm gonna make a gigantic wrapper for it. So I don't think anybody has done that before. Okay, so here it is so far, 4x4. I mean, hand comparison, that's a pretty big Starburst. I mean, if you think about it. I might make it a 5x5, but for now it's a 4x4. And I gotta stack one more layer to make it so it'd be 2 up and then be 4x4 or maybe 5x5. If it's a 5x5, that'd be 5 times 5, which is 25. And then I'd do another layer, which would be another 25, so that'd be 50. So if I do a 5x5, then that'd be 50 Starbursts. And if I do a 4x4, that'd be 4 times 4, which equals 16, plus 16 for the second layer, which equals 32. So you either need 50 Starbursts or 32 to make this giant DIY Starburst. Just so you guys know, if you guys wanted to try to make it. So yeah, I'm gonna finish this up off of time-lapse so you guys aren't bored of time-lapse. And yeah, I'll see you guys in the next clip. Here's the normal Starburst. Here's the big Starburst. I did the 4x4 because don't have that much Starbursts, so yeah, that kind of sucks. Anyways, so I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys how to melt this all together to make the Starburst, and then right after that, I hope you guys, if you guys are trying this at least, I hope you guys are unwrapping your Starburst neatly, so that way you have all the wrappers, neatly, just, yeah, to be ready to be taped together to make the gigantic wrapper. So yeah, be sure if you guys if you haven't done so already, be sure to smash that like button, subscribe, and hit that bell notification button, yeah. And yeah, so that way you guys are updated for my future content. And also go subscribe to my gaming channel, which is Kyle Parody Games. It's the one with the Superman logo. It also has like this video game controller also underneath it, so yeah, go check that out. So I'm gonna show you guys how to heat this up. I'm gonna have it all laid onto a plate. That's the Starburst we're gonna be heating up. And then you wanna have some sort of square mold to put it in. So I'm gonna be trying to place all these in there. As you can see, it doesn't quite fit, so I'm gonna find a way. And I'm gonna put a bottom so that way it all doesn't leak out. And yeah, stay tuned for my next clip, which might be it all in the microwave. I'm gonna use the microwave and not the oven. So okay, so sorry, I got it to fit in my little mold, and I'm gonna put it in the microwave for like 15 seconds at a time. For 15 seconds, literally already mushy, so only put it in there for 15 seconds actually, and then just start pushing it with your fingers and trying to get rid of all the lines, and then maybe putting it in for a little longer time after time. Okay, so I put it in for 15 and then I took it out and put it in for 10, and it's pretty mushy. I used this to kind of flatten it a little bit more, and now I'm going to put it over there into my deep freezer for like 30 minutes, and I'll see you guys after this clip, and it should be pretty much done. Then I'll just grab a knife, cut right here, cut right here, cut right here, and cut out the mold. So yeah, see you then. Now we're gonna make the Starburst wrapper, and for that you will need a 4x3 of them, so well 3x4 or whatever, yeah. So you're gonna need 12 wrappers for us to tape together. I measured it while it was out here. Sorry, I'm doing a lot of this. Anyways, oh my gosh, sorry. So, I'm hitting everything away. So, anyways, when it was out here, I measured it. You need 4 by 3, and if we need bigger, we can go bigger. So yeah, and you also need some scotch tape and this, and that's basically it. So you really want to get scotch tape right here, and then tape it to there, and then grab it right there and put it to there. So just tape all this together and you'll see. At the moment I have this taped, and this taped. What I'm gonna do now is I'm gonna put that right there, and this right there, and I'm gonna tape, get a long piece of tape, tape right there, get a long piece of tape and tape right there, and I'll have a big Starburst wrapper. So yeah, stay tuned. Okay. Sorry, I had to put you guys down for a second. So fold that in, and basically it was like this, like that. Okay. So now what you want to do is you want to fold it over, then fold it over again, like so, with this Starburst, and then I'll show you from there. Okay, so once you're at this part where you're about to fold it over to make it look like that, right? You want to fold this part up, and you want to fold this part up, like so. So like it's folded on the sides, so you can't see the sides, like so. And then once you're done with that, then it'll be basically its shape, and then you'll just have to fold over these 2 flaps, and it'll be all wrapped up. So I'll show you guys mine in a sec. I'll show you guys in 3, 2, 1. Wait, actually, before I show you, be sure you smash that like button, because this like goal for this video is going to be 25 likes, okay? Okay? Yep. And we better get over 1,000 views on this video, okay? Have you subscribed? I don't know. Here, let me give you a few seconds to go subscribe. And be sure to hit that notification bell as well. Okay? 3, 2, 1. Okay. I believe I've beaten letting you guys wait for the longest time. So, here we go. I'm going to show you guys in 3, 2, 1. Boom! Yeah. Got the big Starburst all wrapped up in its wrapper. We got the small one over here. No, that's puny. Who wants that when we got this big fella, which is a whopping, oh my gosh, 32 Starbursts. Sorry, by the way, I was procrastinating because I was doing multiplication, so I knew how much it was. So yeah, anyways, yep. And this is 1. No, we don't want 1, we want 32. Okay, I'm pretty sure you guys want me to open it. Here we go. Boom. Oh my gosh, we'll get up. Yeah, this one, no, this one is just, no. But this one, oh my gosh, look how big it is. Like, oh, that's heavy. You guys want me to unwrap it and take a bite out of it? Boom. I'm gonna take this one. Just threw it in my mouth. Okay. So, we got this, and then we got this. So, no, not bad. But this one. Edible DIY Starburst. Not good. I'm so sorry. I have no idea why I put the Starburst in my mouth, waited there for like 5 seconds, then said I'm sorry, took it back out, then like waited like literally like 5 seconds, put it back in my mouth, and like I don't understand why I even did that. So sorry, I just had to retake this little part of the video just because of how disturbed I was of what I was kind of doing, I guess. Basically, I was eating the Starburst and making, like I was smacking my lips basically, and I was covering my mouth like this. You couldn't even really hear me. So I'm retaking this part of the video, and basically I'm just gonna say what I said just right here, right now. And basically I was just shouting out my friend Emo Jake DIY. It will be right here, I think, his YouTube channel. It's EMOJAKE and then DIY. So yeah, go check him out. He's really, inspired me and helped me. He's a really good friend. We're really good YouTube friends, and one day I'd like to meet him, and I think that would be really cool. So yeah, I'm shouting him out. Go check out his channel. His channel's pretty dope, and he does weekly videos, just like probably me. Maybe I might start doing weekly videos. I'm gonna try at least. And yeah, thank you for watching this video, and turn on the notification bell so that way you're notified for my future content. And thank you guys. Peace.